Risk can be defined as the chance of an event, hazard, threat, or situation occurring and resulting in undesirable consequences or a potential problem. The level of risk will be determined by the likelihood of an adverse event happening and the impact, the harm resulting from that event. Project risks are the risks that surround the project's capability to deliver its objectives. This includes organizational factors such as skill, training, and staff shortages, personnel issues, and even political issues such as problems with testers communicating their needs and test results, failure by the team to follow up on information found in testing and reviews, not improving development and testing practices, improper attitudes toward or expectations of testing, and technical issues, including problems in defining the right requirements, the extent to which requirements cannot be met given existing constraints, test environments not ready on time, late data conversion, migration planning and development, low quality of the design, code, configuration data, and tests. Finally, some supplier issues could also be considered, such as the failure of a third party to respond and even contractual issues. When analyzing, managing, and mitigating these risks, the test manager is following well-established project management principles. Product risks are potential failure areas such as adverse future events or hazards in the software or system that are known to put in risk the quality of the product. And they include failure-prone software that is delivered, potential that software and hardware could cause harm to an individual or company, poor software characteristics such as functionality, reliability, usability, and performance, poor data integrity and quality, data migration issues, data conversion problems, data transport problems, violation of data standards, software that does not perform its intended functions, and usually risks are used to decide where to start testing and where to test more. Testing is used to reduce the risk of an adverse effect occurring or to reduce the impact of that same adverse effect. Product risks are a special type of risk to the success of a project. Testing as a risk control activity provides feedback about the residual risk by measuring the effectiveness of critical defect removal and of contingency plans. A risk-based approach of testing provides proactive opportunities to reduce the levels of product risk, starting in the initial stages of a project. It involves the identification of product risks and their use in guiding test planning and control, specification preparation, and execution of tests. To ensure that the chance of a product failure is minimized, risk management activities provide a disciplined approach to assess and reassess on a regular basis what can go wrong risks, determine what risks are important to deal with, implement actions to deal with those risks. In addition, testing may support the identification of new risks, may help to determine what risks should be reduced, and may lower uncertainty about risks.